Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope so you all are fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Today our topic is season's name. KG2 class, today we are going to write the name of seasons. So first of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. Okay students, let's start. The first picture is summer. It is very hot in summer. We wear cotton cloth and eat cold ice cream and drink cold drinks. So KG2 class, here we will write the spellings of summer like this. SUMMER, summer. Now students, read with me. SUMMER, summer. The next picture is winter. Winter is very cold. We wear warm cloth in winter and we eat hot things. So here we will write the spellings of winter like this. WINTER, winter. Students, read with me. WINTER, winter. The next picture is autumn. Autumn is the season when trees shed their leaves and the climate is pleasant. So here we will write the spellings of autumn like this. AUTUMN, autumn. Students, read with me. AUTUMN, autumn. The next season is spring. Spring is a pleasant season. It comes with the blossoms of beautiful colors. Here we will write the spellings of spring like this. SPRING, spring. Students, read with me. SPRING, spring. Okay KG2 class, it is our today lesson. I hope you have understand it good.